One of the country's largest retailers in Richards has closed its Heathcliff and Tynewood outlets, signaling deeper cracks in the formal retail sector as businesses buckle under economic strain. Salabina mashoka tono kuti aiwa in Richards inozikanwa aiwa munyika yeZimbabwe kuti ndo masupermarkets anozikanwa kuti ari profitable and anooperator ane zita anozikanwa kuti they've got a market share inoonekwa Yovhara. Zvashamisa vanhu kuti vasubscribe like out on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa muzimu abudanyira chiti. The closures come on the use of widespread challenges facing formal retailers. Major chains including OK Zimbabwe are reportedly facing difficulties in restocking due to the Zik crisis. The Confederation of Zimbabwe Retailers (CZR) has also sounded the alarm on the viability of the formal retail shops. The country's formal retail sector has struggled to compete with the unregulated informal market, which dominates by avoiding taxes, licensing fees, and compliance with labor laws. CZR attributes the closures to the dual current system, forcing retailers to accept ZWL while operating in a dollarized supply chain. The economic turbulence has not spared big names. Spar Zimbabwe recently shuttered its Queensdale branch. Choppies Zimbabwe exited the market altogether. Mohamed Musa reduced its shop space by 60%. Tomacho vanobuda nyupa panapa vanachina kuti aiwa economy yeZimbabwe yachiona kuti yaparara. Chioneka kunzi aiwa mabusiness ari prominent munyika yeZimbabwe vamwe vari kuredusa masizes, vamwe vari kurelocate vachikuta kuti aiwa ngatigare edu tiri kune dzimwe nyika. Tudze mafungiro enyu kuti pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pinda ngome section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.